guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have for you some short hairstyles that are cute and fun and that can be worn anywhere. I hope that you enjoy these styles and just keep watching.
You have to do something with your hand.
I'm gonna do 2 buns on the top. I think that would be fun.
Sorry.
No, you're okay. Super excited. So yet again, we're gonna go a little bit wider, and especially with this one, you wanna go a little wider because you're gonna need the space because you don't have a lot of hair. So we're gonna part it in the middle and come down through kind of like what we did with the braided top knot. We're just gonna get it parted.
How far back do they go?
I just go to the back of the round of the head in the back. That's where your knots will be, so you won't see the line on the back of it. And then you take your rubber band and I just pull it back like this. Yet again, tight at the base, and then go through. And sometimes you can just do 2. You don't have to go 3 times. You could just do 2, but if you want to do 3 just to make sure it's secure, you can. But 2 would make it messier. Oh my gosh, I know. So cute. I think I'm going to come back a little bit further. Here, pull up a little bit more hair. There's not a lot. And then I take the base, go around. Now this is the tricky part, to make sure they're even. But they don't necessarily have to be perfect. They're probably not going to be perfect. But, so you have these 2 little guys kind of flowing around. What I like to do is pull out a little bit so it's not so stuck to your forehead. Just kind of pull it out a little bit. Yet again, bobby pins, a girl's best friend. And I just bobby pin them so they don't, see how they're kind of floppy? I just bobby pin them so that they have a little bit of security to them. And I like to see, that's really cute. This one is a little wonky, so we're gonna pull it down a little bit and bobby pin it in. And then if, see, this one's a little bit flatter, you can always kind of pull it up and mess it up. And then it'll end up looking about the same. And ta-da! Looks pretty cute. Easy peasy. Okay.
This is super cute. I like this one.
I think it's fun. And I like pulling it a little bit further. Even if you wanted to, you could go even a little bit deeper and pull it in. See, I mean, yeah. So it doesn't necessarily have to be on the top of your head. It can be, and then you'll have more hair to work with to give you a little bit more messiness in there. But yeah. For the next one, I'm going to do a braided fringe. So with that, like in my previous videos, it doesn't matter if your hair is long or short. You want to start a little bit further over so that you don't have your braid will look a little bit more. There it is. You know, you come back through here. You could even go that far over if you wanted to, and then that gives you, I mean, a lot to work with. And you've got your color in here, so it'll make your braid look amazing. So you take your section of hair. Courtney didn't need to fill. All right, get the braid. So we do the 3. This one up and this one over. And then I just, you know, this imaginary little line through here, I just kind of keep pulling this back and then just pull up, pull it in, get my other piece, pull it in. And then this is where we're going to start to attach it to the head. So we want to pull in kind of underneath this top part of the hair, and then you're going to start kicking it back a little bit when you pull it. So you'll pull it back this way, and then we're going to, I'll probably take one more piece through here, like that. And then we're going to, yet again, and if you want to, you can clip it over. If that helps you to clip that hair out of the way, I just fight with it all the time. And then you're gonna come back. Instead of staying straight in through here, you're gonna come back a little bit. You're gonna pull into this, which is then gonna kick your braid back. Turn a little bit like that. And then we're gonna leave this part down, and we're gonna pull right in here, which is then, it's, as you can see, it's kicking it back this direction. I can take a little bit more. I wouldn't if it was my own hair, but, and then you just kind of braid it out. This is all just gonna end up falling, this is gonna fall over the top of it, and it's gonna all kind of disappear in through here, so you don't really have to work that hard on it. Then we wanna pull this out. And her color looks phenomenal, and it's so fun in this braid, and it's bringing the braid to life. And on this, when you pancake through here, you don't want to really pancake these too much because it's going to make this hair not lay right. So you want to kind of pancake out underneath here. You can pancake this one a little bit if you want to, and this one. But for the most part, you want these to stay closer to the head. And then you want to take a bobby pin and go into a little bit into your braid here, so you can secure that into place. That one is retry. There we go. You want to go up under in there so then your bobby pin disappears. You can even do it in here, like this, kind of go up and under and in there, and push it forward so it secures it, but then the bobby pin disappears. And you want to take your bobby pin in at an angle. There we go. Okay, turn your head just a little bit more like that. And then I'm just going to secure this now, and so I just take bobby pins and turn them in. Okay, so that pretty much stays back. Does it feel secure to you?
Mm-hmm. Feels good.
And then you let this guy come down to the top. I mean, and if you want, you can take this from here a little bit, and you can pin it back a little bit to where it will show off a little bit more. Those are some ideas that we have for you. We had a lot of fun recording this video, so thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great hair day.